Okay. I think we can start by now. It's already the time, which is 5:30. I hope that everyone that hasn't joined can actually join fast, yeah. Okay, so I would like to greet everyone. Good evening, ibu-ibu, kakak-kakak saya. How are you today?
I'm okay. Fine, yes.
Okay. Is there anything stressful today? Is there anything stressful or maybe making your day a little bit gloomy? Adakah hal-hal yang membuat hari ini agak menyebalkan?
Any, but it is
No, alhamdulillah. So everything went well today, yeah, until the end of the working hours, actually. Okay, so we're going to have our second session. This session, our goal, tujuan kita hari ini adalah we're going to have a speaking practice, but the speaking practice previously in the meeting one, mungkin it was like only practicing what we've already discussed. But for this session, in this meeting, the speaking session, still in pair, but I hope that the pair actually can be jumbled again, can be shuffled, not the same with the previous meeting. For example, on the last meeting, Bu Sri with Mbak Dala, for example. Maybe now, today, Mbak Sri can be paired with Bu Yuyun, for example, like that one, Jadi we can shuffle the pair. That's going to be our goal. However, during the process of learning, we're going to learn about making sentence. How to create conversation that actually implementing, masukin gitu ya, menggunakan atau applicating what we've already learned on Monday. Seperti menanyakan nama, menanyakan umur, menanyakan alamat, but it's actually in a whole conversation. Ya, there is already a template. Nanti ada template-nya, tinggal diisi, kemudian nanti bisa di di role play ya dengan temannya atau dengan PR-nya. Okay, without a further ado, so hopefully with the goal that I explained, everybody will understand what will be the output and then be ready with that one. But to break the ice, maybe for 10 minutes or 15, we're going to play something. It's going to widen, enhance your vocabulary, or maybe just to recall some memories ya, mengingat-ingat kembali kosakata yang mungkin dulu pernah dibaca, pernah dipelajari gitu. We're going to play guess the word. Okay? Nama permainannya adalah guess the word atau tebak kata. There might be, if I'm mistaken, 11 categories, but maybe we're going to just play 1 or 2 categories ya. It depends on the time. Okay, I'm going to share. Okay, this is going to be the game that we're going to play, which is guess the word. Everybody can answer, but I appreciate if you can call yourself. I mean, like, call your name first. Juju, for example, and then Bu Juju will answer. Or maybe Lala, and then Lala will answer, for this one. Because I'm going to operate from the different tab. Okay?
Okay.
Wait a second. I'm going to have a full screen tab. By the way, yang belum join siapa ya?
Dina.
Maksudnya di mana, Dek?
Bu Dina.
Ya.
Bu Sri, I think Bu Sri already. Yes.
Maaf ya, ini saya soalnya sama perjalanan ini dari Blitar ke Kediri.
Who is it? Oh, Bu Yuyun.
Halo?
Bu Yuyun
Iya.
is talking. Yeah, it's okay, Bu Yuyun. Do your best, actually. If you can answer, that's going to be good, ya. Okay. Okay, this is going to the game. Sebentar ya, ini kok saya bikin full screen agak sulit. Oke, kita buka dulunya ya. There are 11 categories here, if I'm mistaken. Maybe which categories that we're going to play now? Something that may be familiar with ibu-ibu.
Food.
Food, oke. Agree ya, kita akan bermain tentang food ya. Oke, Lala join. Oke, I'm going to open the food. It's loading. I'm going to read ya. You can read the suaranya agak gede. Suaranya saya matikan saja. Baik. Okay. You can I'm going to show you how to play this. You can read it by yourself, but I'm going to read it I'm going to read aloud this. And then you're going to make the real word based on the unscrambled letters ya. Jadi di sini ada kata yang tidak sesuai atau masih belum berurutan. And then you have to assemble this so that it can create a word. Jadi ada satu kata yang sesuai dengan kalimat yang ada di atas ini, informasinya ya. For example, this liquid produced by cows or female goats and collected for people to drink. What is it gitu ya. Nanti misalkan ada yang mau jawab, call your name, Juju, terus jawab milk misalkan seperti itu. And then I will arrange the word like this one. Okay, understandable?
Understand, Miss.
Okay, good. Nanti jawab apa, sebutkan namanya ya.
Yes.
Okay, this one. A large juicy fruit shaped like an egg. Berarti oval with sweet yellow flesh. Dengan isinya adalah kuning. Okay, who's pineapple? This one, who answered this? Cella. Right. Cella. Can you please spell it? Pineapple. Gimana pineapple? How to spell pineapple?
P
Spell it gimana? P-I N-E and then apple ya. Apple. Okay, nice. Pineapple, nanas ya. Next, actually, the seed of this grass, which is very important food. Our staple food, makanan sehari-hari kita harus ini, Indonesia wajib nih.
Cucu.
Rice ya, oke. Bu Juju, rice. Okay, you can answer as well ya, rice.
R-E-C-I.
Join. Siapa yang join ini?
Indang. Miss Indang.
Indang ya. Sebentar, belum bisa di nih. Oke, kembali dulu sini ya. A large round fruit with a green ring dengan garis-garis hijau and sweet pulp that is red or pink. Apa ya? Bulat besar, dagingnya merah.
Watermelon.
Cucu is watermelon.
Watermelon. That's watermelon. Good. Watermelon. Good. Kalau nih kalau nggak jawab ya. Watermelon. That's great actually. Next. Maybe I will call someone name ya. Bu In already here.
Coffee.
Lain ada ya. A tropical plant that produces beans.
Coffee.
These beans are used to dark brown drink. Coffee, oke betul. Coffee dua. Kedua ini jabel ya, nggak kelihatan nih. Susunannya salah. Okay, next. A food made from flour, egg, and water and dried in various forms, such as macaroni or spaghetti. Namanya apa sih?
Cucu,
Pasta. Adalah pasta.
Pasta, yes. Pasta, that's correct. Untuk food ini lumayan aman ya. Kita ganti ini ya. Kategori nih. Food kayaknya aman. Ibu-ibu emang doyan makan gitu.
Mak, Miss.
Iya, sama kalau ibu-ibu dengan makanan. Oke, sudah diterima ya oleh Pak Fajar. Terima kasih. Baik, kita masuk ke yang lain. Kita ganti. Maybe we're going to talk about clothes. Are you okay with clothes? Or places ya. Tempat dulu aja ya, tempat ya. Places, vocabulary of places, public places. Okay, public places. I will call, I guess, maybe Bu Mbak Dala. Adalah please answer ya. A place where sick or hurt people go to find care or help. This is very easy. Hospital. Yes. Hospital. Good. Next. Bu Sri ada? Ada. Bu Sri, an informal restaurant, coffee shop that usually specializes in simple meals. Terus sempat kita nongkrong deh nih ibu-ibu.
Cafe.
Cafe, betul. Cara bacanya not cafe, but cafe ya. Cafe. Cafe Indonesia. Cafe. Oke, ini. Oh, ini dia. Ada 4 ya, kata ada 4. An area of land with buildings and equipment and untuk grow crops, untuk untuk nanam sayur-sayur, untuk memelihara binatang ternak. Farm, yes, it's a farm. Oke. Nah ini kotak-kotaknya agak nggak begitu bagus ya. A place where books, records, and other materials are kept. Library. That's correct. Library. After L, while I. After L, it's going to be Y or I. I, betul. I, library. Gimana nih? Ini salah nih, harusnya library, saya yang nulisnya salah ya. Library. Ini gimana sih? Wait. Lanjut. Masih sama ya. Library. Saya yang salah kan? Library, Ibu Sera, ya ampun tangannya sampai keseleo. Baik, library, suppose di library ya. Library. Nggak mau sih. Library. Klik, oke, Jo. Alright, the last one. Okay, a place where goods are sold. We take grocery. Market, yes. Not mart ya, that's the same word ya, like Indomart, market, that's the same actually. Apa ini? Kenapa begini tulisannya, Tuhanku? Minta ganti laptopnya ya Bu. Betul, Bismillah ya. Semoga doanya diijabah. Amin. Oke, wah ini kayaknya agak-agak nih ya. Baiklah. Kalau ini kira-kira ya teman-teman. Ini sama sih, a large store that carries a wide variety of food and household items. Market kecil atau tradisional, but this one is a big one. Swalayan, what we call it?
Supermarket.
Supermarket, ya betul, supermarket. Tapi ini berantakan, saya nggak bisa. Ini ya, susun ya. Tapi belum jawabannya, it's a supermarket. Okay, right. Segitu pemanasannya udah panas belum? Panas ya, already ya.
Ready, Miss.
Next, actually on next Monday, we're going to have another guest word, maybe with another topic. We had already food. Kalau food, I believe that there are so many vocabularies, about food, places. Maybe next we're going to talk about weather. Ya, mungkin kalau weather, it's going to be not really familiar. So you can gain more vocabularies during the game. Okay, now we're going to move on. Kita kemarin terakhir kita kepotong sampai ke listening. Jadi sekarang kita akan masuk ke bagian listening directly. So as I mentioned before in the group, if some people here are actually in the same room and then do not have the headset, you can gather with one laptop or two laptops only. The other laptops can have a volume down. Jadi nanti bisa mendengar dengan lebih jelas. But if you are actually alone in the room, that's okay. You can play it really loud, nggak apa-apa ya, karena sendirian. Oke. Saya buka dulu ya. Oke, this one. Sudah kelihatan ya? Okay. The listening is one, actually, only one audio, but we're going to play it thrice, atau 3 kali. But I will split it into review, so you're going to have the first exposure, listening only for listening without any things to do, just listen it carefully first, and then after that, the second listening, you're going to do the part 1. In the part 1, your task is make the questions in order. So you have to give number to each of the question. Which one comes first? Pertanyaan mana yang datangnya duluan, yang diucapkannya duluan, gitu ya. For example, how are you is in the first place. Berarti how are you becomes 1. Seperti itu. Terus yang kedua yang mana, ketiga yang mana, dan seterusnya. That's part 1. In the part 2, I'm going to give you a replay of the audio, and then you're going to choose the correct information of each sentence. For example, number 1, Louis is from, nah, nanti di dalam conversationnya Louis itu asalnya dari mana? Is he or is she from France or maybe from Spain? For example, like that. So you're going to choose based on the listening. Jadi kita ada 3 kali listening ya. Yang pertama didengerin aja, tanpa tendensi apapun. Yang kedua baru kita kerjakan part 1, yang ketiga baru kita kerjakan part 2 ya. Oke. Saya akan play the listening for the first exposure. Teman-teman bisa mendengarkan, menyimak saja ya. Kedengeran? Can you hear the sound?
No,
Not yet
No,
ya.
Miss.
Oke.
not yet.
Berarti saya masuk ke sini dulu ya, ke audionya dulu. Can you listen to the voice, to the sound? Can you listen the audio?
Not yet, Miss.
Belum?
Belum.
Not yet.
Belum ada ya, sebentar. Oh, ini nggak bisa kalau ini ya. Sebentar, saya buka dari Drive aja deh. Wait a second ya. Wait a second, my laptop is quite lagging.
Miss, I'm sorry, Miss.
Wait a second ya. Pray maghrib already?
Yes, yes, Miss.
Time to pray.
Oh,
10
not
minutes ya,
jam 6
guys.
ya?
Yes.
Oh, okay deh, guys, kalian. I'm going to prepare the listening ya. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm going to close. No, not closing. I'm going to wait for you guys for 10 minutes. We're going to start again at 6:05 ya. Maximum.
Okay.
Okay,
thank you,
right. Thank
Miss.
you. Yeah. Just Hello. Has everybody finished?
Hello, Miss and
Hi.
Miss.
Okay. So everybody's finished? Bu Juju?
Yes.
Yang lain sudah?
Sepertinya belum.
Not yet.
Belum.
Yeah, okay.
Not yet.
Okay, nggak apa-apa. Bu Juju is actually in a different room or maybe in a different branch?
In different room.
Oh, only different room. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the others, yeah?
Okay.
If the other has already finished with the praying break, so I believe you can join directly because we can continue with the listening, yeah?
Okay.
Budina is not joined today, yeah? Only 10 students, I guess. Atau mungkin Budina tandem sama yang lain gitu? Halo Mbak Iin.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, udah kembali nih. Masih tunggu yang lain ya. Budina nggak join hari ini atau gimana ya?
Bu Dina.
Budina stay at Bandung, Miss.
Oh, oke. Baiklah. Kalau begitu, makanya nggak ketahuan ya. Soalnya namanya nggak ada di Google Meet ya.
Oh, iya,
Baiklah.
nggak ada. Kemana dia?
Oke, yang lainnya apa sudah join lagi atau masih prepare?
Dalla, Agustin, Luis.
Udah ya, oke. Sekarang kita akan mulai listening ya. Listening yang pertama kita listen aja biasa dan bisa di mute dulu supaya nggak echoing ya. Oke. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim, lancar ya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you.
And you?
Oke, kita mulai ya.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. My name is Mary. What's your name?
I'm Luis. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I'm from France. I live in Paris. How long are you staying here?
For 6 weeks. What about you?
For 1 month.
Hi, everyone. The class starts in 10 minutes.
Is he the teacher?
Yes, he is. Would you like something to drink before class?
Yes, I'd like a coffee.
Okay, so that's the listening. Actually, only 45 seconds. It's actually talking about Mary and Louis, yeah. Mary and Louis are actually meeting at the class, and then they strike conversation. Mereka membuat memulai sebuah percakapan, bertukar informasi mengenai data diri gitu, informasi personal tentang diri mereka. Kemudian di sana ada dalam conversation, of course, we will ask and answer ya. There will be a dialogue, communication. There must be question and answer. Nah, in this part 1, okay, in the second part, in the part 1, you're going to ordering which questions comes first. Oke, sambil kita coba, nih bisa nggak ya? Bisa didengarkan lagi nggak ya? Sambil dengarkan, sambil kesini nih. Nah, ini dia. Part 1, the questions that you need to listen are, how are you? How long are you staying here? What's your name? Where are you from? And then would you like something to drink? Nanti teman-teman bisa catat aja dulu sendiri ya, how are you, siapa yang pertama kali keluar itu kalimat yang mana, pertanyaannya, setelah kita dengarkan, and then we're going to discuss together. Saya coba dengarkan sekali lagi ya. Mau bergerak nih sebentar. Oke, mungkin tadi yang sempat kedengaran di listening pertama, kalimat pertanyaan pertama yang keluar, which one actually? Which question that comes first? Ketika di sesi listening pertama tadi.
How are you?
How are you? Who said that? The girl or the boy?
Girl.
Girl.
The girl. Okay. The girl is actually Mary, and then the boy is actually Louis, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So how are you is actually the first one. And then the second one, ada yang bisa dengar nggak? Tadi siapa setelah nanya how are you? Biasanya kita nanya apa dulu?
Halo. Aku jelas no kantor.
Aku JLS.
After how are you, we usually exchange information about name, yeah. So the second one is actually what's your name?
What's your name?
Okay, and yes, and then they exchange the information. My name is Louis. My name is Mary. Okay, nice to meet you. Nah, itu penting juga. Kemarin in the previous meeting we only learn the default question and answer tuh. Kita nggak we didn't learn about the respond, yeah, how to respond when we meet each other, how to greet somebody at the beginning before we start the conversation. Usually, if we want to strike up a conversation, we want to start ya small talk gitu. We usually greet that person maybe with salam or maybe with the greeting like good afternoon, good evening, good morning, and then you can try to give a question, how are you, for example, or chit chat. I think I've seen you before atau I haven't met you before, bisa juga. And then after that we can ask about the condition, how are you, and then baru exchanging information ya. The second one is actually what's your name. After the person know the name, what will be the next question kira-kira?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you
Yes,
from?
actually. Betul. Where are you from? Ini tidak berjalan dengan sempurna ya. Oke, ini listeningnya. Nanti listening yang kedua kita dengarkan sekali lagi ya. Where are you from? And then they talk about their origin. Louis dari mana, Mary dari mana. Kemudian habis itu, they ask about another follow-up question. Just like in the part B on the last meeting, what will be the question?
How long are you stay here?
Yes, correct. How long are you staying here? Berapa lama tinggal di sini? Berapa lama apa namanya? Ya tinggal di sini atau berada di tempat ini gitu ya di kota ini misalkan. Terakhir before they start the class,
Would
somebody
you like
is
something to
offering.
drink?
Yes, would you like something to drink? And then the boy answering that he likes to have a coffee, if I'm mistaken ya.
Yes.
Jadi yang terakhir adalah would you like something to drink? So the order is asking the condition, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? How long are you staying here? And then would you like something to drink? Okay, that's the first listening practice ya, comprehensionnya. The second one, kita akan dengarkan sekali lagi. Coba dilihat bagian ininya, pertanyaannya. The first one, the question asks you about Louis' origin. Ya, Louis datang atau berasal dari mana nih? Louis is from France or Spain. The second one, Mary. Mary lives in. Nah, ini beda lagi. If it is actually from, berarti asal. Just like me, I am from Jakarta, but I live in Banyuwangi. Maybe Bu Juju is actually lives in Tangerang, but comes from Semarang, misalkan. Jadi kalau lives is currently, sekarangnya gitu ya. Present, in the present, they actually that person is actually lives in which city. Jadi Mary ini misalkan nanti there are two information ya. Mary asalnya dari mana, tinggalnya di mana. So it means you're going to choose the second one, lives in which city gitu. The third, Louis is staying for the question this one, how long are you staying here? Berapa lama tinggal di sini? Nah, Louis berapa lama, Mary berapa lama. Jadi beda ya, beda jawaban. 6 weeks, ada weeks, ada yang months. Number 5, the teacher says that, I think this one is at the end ya, kalau nggak salah. The teacher says that class starts in how many minutes? Okay, and then the last one, Mary and Louis decide to get something to what? To eat or to drink ya. Oke, saya akan kembali ke listeningnya. Saya akan play lagi listeningnya ya. Second. Lemot banget. It's not a good sign of a smooth listening ya, teman-teman. Wait a second. Ya gak mau di play tadi. Or maybe I'm going to open for the alternative one. I'm going to open the listening script so that I would like to have two people from here to make a dialogue to role play. Okay, I think that is actually better than waiting for the listening. Okay, I would like maybe to have siapa ya yang lain mendengarkan dan menjawab nantinya. Okay, this one I have the script here. Okay, Mary and Louis, who's going to be Mary? Kira-kira siapa yang mau jadi Mary nih di sini?
Juju, Miss.
Okay, Miss Juju. And then for the Louis one, can I have Mbak Iin? Kayaknya Mbak Iin udah open ini nih, the open mic ya.
Oke, Miss.
Oke, Miss, gitu ya. Oke. Baik.
Oke, Miss.
Silakan Bu Juju dimulai. Yang lain you can listen carefully and then we can answer after this one. Yuk.
Louis, hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. My name is Mary. What's your name?
I'm Louis. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I am from France. I live in Paris. How long are you stay here?
For 6 weeks. What about you?
For 1 month.
Hi everyone, I'm the teacher then ya. Hi everyone, the class starts in 10 minutes.
Is he the teacher?
Yes,
Is he the
yes. Would you
teacher?
like something to drink before class?
Yes, I'd like a coffee.
Okay, right. Thank you so much. Give applause for Bu Juju and Mbak Iin. That's actually
Thank
a
you,
good
Miss.
role play
Thank
ya
you, Miss.
for this one. Nah, tadi seperti yang saya sudah prediksi ya, which is actually when Mary, the line of Mary is not only talking about where she lives, she also talks about where she comes from. Nah, nanti kita harus pilih mana nih yang jawabannya lebih tepat ya. Okay, I'm going back to the questions. This one. Nah, after you listen to the role play ya, so maybe you know, Louis tadi dari mana? Louis is coming from
Spain.
Spain, correct. Actually, Louis is actually a Spanish coming from Spain. Spain is the country, the nationality is actually Spanish. The language is also Spanish. Okay, Mary lives in
Paris.
Paris. Yes,
Paris.
correct. So she lives in Paris. She comes from France. Ya, dia negaranya dari Prancis, tapi specifically she lives in the Paris gitu.
Paris.
Number 3, Louis. How long Louis will stay?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Weeks, betul sekali. However, Mary will stay for
1
1 month.
1 month.
betul 1 month. 1 month is 4 weeks, so 6 weeks maybe around 1 month and a half. Yeah. The last one, the teacher says that the class starts in how many minutes?
10
5 minutes.
10 or 5?
10.
10, correct. In
10
10 minutes.
minutes.
Ya, betul. Yes, it's 10 minutes.
From.
Usually biasanya kalau guru mengingatkannya 10 sampai 15 menit ya, 10 to 15 minutes before the class starts so that the students can prepare. The last one, would you like something? Kan lainnya Bu Juju tadi. Would you like something to blah blah blah? So that's the decision is actually need something to drink, the last one, but it's actually optional ya. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to eat? I mean like the offer for a conversation is very optional, nggak selalu tersedia opsi tersebut gitu ya ketika kita berbicara dengan orang lain. Oke. Nah, abis di sini setelah teman-teman mendengarkan, we're going to unravel the structure of the sentence. Tadi kan sudah tahu nih cara membuat kalimat atau kalimat-kalimat ketika kita sedang menunjukkan informasi tentang diri kita. For example, my name is Sierra. I live atau misalkan I am from Jakarta. I am 33 years old, for example. Jadi kalimat-kalimat di situ semua menggunakan seperti ini. I am Sierra. I am from. Betul. Siapa tuh yang jawab tuh? Nice actually. Udah ada pre-knowledge about this one ya, which is to be. So we're going to learn about creating sentence with only to be. Jadi kalimat itu, ibu-ibu, kita ibu-ibu banget ngomongnya. Kalimat itu tidak boleh tidak memiliki kata kerja. Kata kerja itu sangat wajib. Kalau di dalam kalimat tidak memiliki kata kerja, berarti dia tidak disebut sebagai kalimat. Bisa saja hanya disebut sebagai frasa atau kelompok kata, ataupun sebagai klausa ya. Bisa jadi klausa yang false atau klausa yang flow gitu. Tidak sesuai gitu ya. Nah, ketika kita ingin membuat kalimat yang di dalamnya hanya berisi kata benda ataupun kata sifat, kata benda contohnya adalah I am a teacher ya. I am a teacher. Nah, di sini teacher is a noun. Noun itu artinya adalah kata benda. Benda sih, Miss? Ya, benda itu mencakup 3 hal. Things, person, and place ya. Benda itu sendiri, things, living things, non-living things. Non-living things itu misalnya kayak benda mati lah ya, and then living things means that animal, something like that gitu. Kita manusia itu juga living things, and then specifically the living things which is actually us, humans, adalah person, and then terakhir adalah ngomongin tentang tempat ya, places. Mereka bertiga itu termasuk ke dalam kata benda atau noun. Or there are also sentence that have only adjective. Jadi subject, kata kerja, kemudian ketemu dengan kata sifatnya. Misalnya, she is pretty. Dia cantik ya, tuh dia cantik atau dia menawan seperti itu. Jadi di sini setelah kata kerja atau setelah to be is, kita ketemu dengan pretty. Pretty is the adjective. Atau sifat ya, kata sifat. Sifat yang melekat pada benda tersebut gitu. She kan itu orang, berarti itu kata bendanya adalah she. She ini memiliki sifat-sifatnya yang melekat pada dirinya adalah dia cantik, dia cerewet, dia yang lain-lain seperti itu. Itu disebut dengan adjective. Jika kita membuat kalimat yang hanya seperti ini, informasi gitu kita bilangnya, kita biasanya tidak menggunakan kata kerja action, teman-teman. Kita tidak menggunakan kata kerja melakukan sesuatu, tapi hanya kata kerja bantu seperti yang tadi disebutkan oleh teman kita, yaitu to be gitu. Jadi kan hanya membutuhkan to be saja sebagai kata kerjanya. Nah, to be itu dibagi menjadi berapa sih? How many to be are actually that we know in the present one? 3. What are they? Ada 3, apa saja?
Is MR.
Is MR, betul sekali. Is MR atau kita balik M is R atau MR is ya. Because of what? The very first one, which is M, is usually used for the first point of view. Okay? A singular. There are 2 columns here ya guys. I use color code here. Miss di sini pakai penanda warna ya. Di kolom yang pertama kita sebut sebagai singular. Singular is actually satu, tunggal. Ya, tunggal itu berarti tidak ada yang lain, saya saja atau kamu saja. Ada 3 subjek yang merupakan subjek tunggal dengan point of view yang berbeda. Contoh, I itu adalah tunggal untuk kata ganti orang pertama, saya, gitu. Saya atau ketika menulis sesuatu, menulis diary misalnya ya, jurnal diri kita, hari ini aku bete banget. Nah, berarti aku atau saya itu adalah first person. I will always meet, nggak ada lagi satu-satunya, will always meet with am. Jadi I am or I'm. sebagai contraction. Contraction kemarin kita sudah pelajari sedikit. Contraction adalah singkatan. Jadi I am or I'm. I am a teacher. I am from Jakarta. I am Sierra. Jadi saya yang sedang berbicara. The second one, tunggal masih singular, is the second person. The one that I talk with. Seseorang yang saya ajak bicara langsung. Nah, itu disebut dengan second person, second point of view. You. Misalkan I'm talking with Lala now. Aku lagi ngomong nih langsung sama Lala. Berarti Lala is the you. Gitu. Berarti saya bilangnya adalah ke Lala langsung, you are pretty. Kamu cantik misalkan. You are an employee. Kamu adalah seorang karyawan. You are very tall. Misalkan kamu tinggi sekali. Misalkan seperti itu. Kita pakai you. Dan di sini to be-nya adalah are. Tapi are itu banyak dipakai oleh yang lain. Gak cuman you saja. Terakhir, singular, tapi kita gosip. Nah, kalau saya selalu bilangnya, biar gampang nih ya membedakannya. This is actually the subject that we are always gossiping. Somebody that is actually not in the room. Tidak ada di sekitar kita. Kita bisa membicarakan orang lain. Jadi, in the third point of view atau third person, he, she, it. Dia laki-laki, dia perempuan, atau sesuatu. Ya, sesuatu. It itu bisa untuk kata benda mati, benda hidup ya. For example, I am talking with Bu Indang misalkan. And then I said, Bu Indang, Bu Dina kemana ya? For example. Berarti I'm talking about Bu Dina. Bu Dina is the she. Nah, she is, nanti Bu Indang jawab, oh, she is away. Oh, dia lagi pergi. Misalkan seperti itu. Jadi kita membicarakan orang yang tidak sedang di lingkup kita. Seperti itu. Itu namanya third person. Ini juga khusus sama seperti I, he, she, it will always meet with is. Gak ada lagi yang lain. Gitu. Jadi kita biasanya ketemu dengan his, she's, or its. Sebagai contraction-nya. Gitu. She is away. She is from Semarang. He is a teacher, he is the OB, he is the boss, something like that one, ya. That's for singular, intinya satu tunggal, ya. And then for the second column, the green one, this is for jamak, plural, ya. Plural is actually jamak, berarti terdiri dari lebih dari satu orang. The first point of view is actually we, berarti kalau we itu ada sayanya, saya dan kamu. Itu namanya we ya, kami atau kita gitu dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kami adalah karyawan Pacific Food Indonesia. Misalkan teman-teman ngomong gitu, we are from Pacific Food Indonesia misalkan. Jadi kita pakainya we, kami, ada sayanya di dalamnya. The second person, the second point of view tetap you, tapi kamu dan mereka, which is saya nggak ada di dalamnya, disebut dengan kalian. Nah, saya berbicara dengan you all. I talk with you all. So you in front of you are actually in the office or actually kalian. Nah, itu masuknya plural karena lebih dari satu orang. Bukan you secara personal tapi you yang rame. Kamu dan mereka. That's kalian. Ya. And then the last one is actually the third point of view. Saya nggak ikut, kamu nggak ikut. Which is actually mereka. Kita ngomongin orang lagi gitu. Mereka berarti saya dan kamu tidak ikut di dalamnya. We talk about the other people. For example, we're talking about people outside the office or people on the road. Misalkan kita mau bilang, oh sekarang saya lagi di kantor. Mungkin orang-orang masih lagi ada di jalanan macet-macetan, misalkan something like that. So you can say they are in the middle of the traffic. Mereka sedang berada di tengah kemacetan, misalkan seperti itu. Karena orangnya nggak ada di depan kita membicarakan orang lain. Nah, khusus for plural, of course, always meet with to be are. Itu khusus ya, untuk plural pasti kita akan ketemu dengan are. Jadi jamak itu sudah pasti patennya to be-nya ketemu dengan are. Jadi kita akan contract them with apostrophe are, like this one. Salah. This one ya, jadi selalu diakhiri dengan ini. Cara bacanya were, your, and then there. Okay, your, where, and then there. Kalau mau di-contract cara bicaranya. Were from PT Pacific. You're amazing. There in the middle of the traffic. Misalkan seperti itu. Okay, until here, is there any question first before I'm moving on? That's clear ya?
Yes.
Oke. Next. Nah, ini kan baru kalimat. Namanya kalimat, ini baru penjelasan antara subjek dan to be-nya saja. Sekarang kita masuk ke bentuk kalimatnya. Kita pelajari dulu dari yes no question, dalam bentuk question dulu, teman-teman. In the form of question, we usually switch ya, the position of to be and the subject. If you want to make sentence, positive sentence or negative sentence, it's always subject in the beginning, and then we follow it with the verb, like this one. But if it is actually question, kita tukar tempatnya. Am I late? Are you late? Are they late? Kita tukar. Nanti jawabannya, we can answer it in the form of positive or in the form of negative. Kita bisa jawabnya dalam kalimat yang positif atau kalimat negatif. If it is positive, then we have to precede it atau awali dengan kata yes dulu. Are you late? No, berarti saya nggak telat. Are you late? Yes, berarti saya terlambat. Baru ditambahkan dengan subjeknya. Are you late? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Berarti saya tidak terlambat. Tidak, saya tidak terlambat. Perbedaannya in the positive and negative is only not after the subject and to be. Udah, itu saja. Perbedaannya cuma itu ya. Yes, I am. No, I am not. Seperti itu. However, one thing that we need to understand here, when you are actually making a sentence, ya, bukan menjawab pertanyaan ya, teman-teman. Membuat kalimat aja. Misalkan saya mau bilang, I am a teacher. Tidak menjawab pertanyaan apapun, just declaring that I am a teacher. Saya seorang guru misalnya. Di situ saya bisa singkat. Di sini saya bisa bikin kalimat seperti ini. I am, boleh, atau I'm the teacher. Saya bisa seperti ini. I am or I'm the teacher. But if you are answering question, are you a teacher?
Yes, I'm a teacher.
Berarti jawabnya gimana?
Yes,
Saya ditanya nih.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
I am.
teacher.
Betul. Yes, I am the teacher or I am aja. Boleh nggak saya seperti ini? Yes. I'm. Boleh nggak?
Boleh.
No. Nah, that's the difference. So if you are answering a question, nah
Oh,
kalau
iya,
kita
yes.
menjawab pertanyaan, kita nggak boleh pakai yang ini. Nah, kalau menjawab pertanyaan lo ya, when we are answering a question, we cannot contract them. We cannot contract the subject with the to be.
Yes,
No,
iya.
no. Kenapa? Jadi kita jawabnya harus seperti ini. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. Yes, we are gitu. But if you just declaring, you just suddenly make a sentence. Bilang sama teman-teman, hey, I'm pretty. Misalkan, hey, teman-teman, aku cantik. Misalnya gitu. Tanpa ada yang nanya, tiba-tiba ngomong gitu. Itu boleh kita kontrak seperti ini. I'm the teacher. I'm the student, I'm the employee, I'm the best employee in this office. Misalkan tiba-tiba ngomong gitu, boleh ya disingkat seperti ini. The next thing, perbedaannya kalau menjawab pertanyaan yang boleh disingkat is only negative. I'm asking to Mbak Dalla misalkan, Mbak Dalla, are you the teacher? Mbak Dalla, kamu gurunya? Terus Mbak Dalla bilang no. Berarti jawabnya gimana?
No, I am not teacher.
I'm not.
Ayo, no, I am not. Atau kita boleh
No,
I'm
not.
not. Nah, ini boleh. Kalau di sini dalam jawaban negatif kita boleh menyingkatnya. Ya. Jadi yang tidak boleh disingkat itu adalah menjawab pertanyaan dalam bentuk positif dan juga pertanyaan, of course nggak ada pertanyaan seperti ini ya, am I gitu, nggak mungkin deh, am I the teacher, nggak mungkin ya. Jadi kalau pertanyaan itu harus jelas, are you, are we, am I, something like that. Somebody is joining. Oh, Mbak Agustin. Okay.
Agustin, Miss.
Baik. Oke. Sampai sini ada yang bisa dipahami? Ada yang, ya pasti dong Ibu. Sampai sini ada yang mau ditanyakan? Sebelum kita ke contoh. Bisa
Enough,
dipahami
Miss.
ya? Oke, enough. Oke,
Yes.
kita agak sedikit ngebut sedikit nih karena kita mau masuk ke speaking. Kita praktis dulu ya. Nah, ini duluan aja deh yang jawab. Ada 8 pertanyaan. If you want to answer, please raise your hand and choose the number.
He is the teacher.
Oke, langsung. Mbak Sheila and Bu Juju. He is the teacher. That's correct. How to make them into negative, Brad? Gimana caranya? Kalau jadi negatif gimana?
I'm not from London.
He is not the teacher.
Yes, he is not the teacher for number 1. Okay. Number 2.
I'm not.
I am not from
I'm
London.
from London.
Right. I'm not from London. So if you want to make it into positive, then you have to omit the not aja ya. I'm from London. Seperti itu. Number 3.
They are
They are.
students.
They are students. Number 4.
Are you
Are you from Poland?
Correct. Are you from Poland? Mbak Lala, when I ask you, are you from Poland? Poland itu Polandia ya. Are you from Poland? Are you a Polish? Jawabannya Mbak Lala apa?
I'm sorry, Miss Lala. Apa trial production is?
Oh, oke, baik. Kita yang ada di sini fokus di sini ya, Mbak Iin. Misalkan aku nanya Mbak Iin ya, are you from Poland, Mbak?
No, I'm Indonesia.
Ya, betul. No, I'm not. I'm Indonesian. Betul sekali, Nas. Oke. Number 5.
They are.
They are not
Late.
late.
They are not late. Betul. Di sini kita bisa singkat ya. They're not late. They are not late. Number 6.
I'm from
I
Japan.
am from.
I'm from Japan. Number 7.
Are we late?
Are we late? Betul. Are we late? Because we is actually are. The last one.
She.
She.
She is here on
He
vacation.
is here on vacation. He, she,
She's
it will
from the-
always meet with is ya. She's here on vacation. She is here on vacation. Boleh disingkat, boleh sendiri-sendiri. Okay. Now it's the time for everyone to the best part. I always love speaking ya teman-teman, karena di dalam speaking kita bisa menuangkan intonasi. Nah, saya minta di bagian speaking kali ini, the second meeting that we have, I would like you to feel the role play so that you can try to be better at the intonation. Jadi nanti jangan, hi, my blah 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 is Ricardo. What's your name? No, I would like it to more live ya. Jadi intonasinya. Boleh nggak Miss diganti namanya? Belum. Jadi namanya tetap pakai Ricardo dan Lisa di sini ya. But I would like you to do it first. So you need to do this with your partner. Silakan berdiskusi dengan partnernya. Jawabannya apa? Nanti the pair that has already ready to do the role play bisa tampil duluan. Misalkan siapa nih? Misalnya siapa dengan siapa ya? Misalnya Mbak Dala sama siapa kira-kira? Mbak Dala sama siapa nih?
Cucu boleh Dala?
Bu Juju boleh.
Oke, Mbak Dala sama Bu Juju, berarti Mbak Dala sama Bu Juju harus ngobrol via chat ya. Mau pakai WhatsApp boleh, mau pakai chat box yang ada di Google Meeting juga nggak apa-apa. Setelah ready, sudah mengerjakan semuanya, baru nanti Mbak Dala sama Bu Juju, Miss, we want to present. Nah, silahkan. Habis itu boleh present. Tapi dikerjakan dulu ya. I'm going to give time for 5 minutes. Cukup nggak ya? Cukup lah. 5 menit ya untuk mengerjakannya. Untuk semuanya, silakan mencari pasangannya. Kelihatan nggak ya? Kelihatan. Silakan mencari pasangannya, siapa dengan siapa. Saya bebaskan. I'm going to give you time for 5 minutes to fill the blanks and present after that one. Okay. Is there any pair who wants to present? If it's already all correct, or maybe there are some wrong answers, I'm going to keep it first, and then in the end, we're going to discuss together, yeah?
Dah lah.
Okay, Agustin, suddenly open the mic, berarti ready nih.
Pencet miss.
Agustin will be with whom?
Dah lah.
Dala dipanggil temennya tuh.
Yuk kita Dala salah nggak apa-apa Dala. Nanti dibenerin Miss Sierra Dala.
Ya, maju dulu, pantang mundur.
Aku yang Ricardo ya, Bu.
Yuk.
Boleh. Oke. Yux, Marky Yux.
Hi. My name is Ricardo. What's your name?
Hi, I am Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Are you here on vacation?
Yes, I am here with my family. They are at the hotel now.
How long are you staying?
Iya betul. How long are you staying? Betul nggak ya? Betul kan, Miss? How long are you staying?
Yes, how long are you staying? That's correct.
2 weeks and you? And 2 weeks and you? And yeah, 2 weeks and you?
I'm
I-
taking an English class with my brother.
Ya, lanjut. Betul? With my brother?
We are here for 6 weeks, betul?
Okay. I will keep the answer first ya. Lanjut.
Are you from Italy?
No, we apa tuh? We are
We are from Brazil.
no, we
Kalau
we-
no berarti
apa sih
harus
namanya?
ada apanya? No, we
No.
are.
No.
Oh, no, we are not. Bentar. No, we are
Correct.
not.
No, we are not.
We're from Brazil. Where are you from?
I am from German. How old are you?
I'm 18. My brother. And you?
My brother?
My
Nggak tahu Miss, apa Miss itu Miss?
Kalau my brother apa? My brother, what is the subject of brother?
Hers. Her.
He.
He.
My brother is he, berarti he.
He.
He
Kalau
is
he, what is the to be? Is, yes. My brother is 20.
20. How old are you?
I am 19. My sister and 22.
My sister is?
My sister is 22.
Okay.
Would you like something to drink?
Aha.
No. No. Oh, no. Yes. I like coffee. Please, I need. Yes. I like. Please, I need a coffee.
Okay. Yes, please. I need a coffee. Okay. Good, Bu Juju and Mbak Dala. For the answer, every answer is actually correct, walaupun sedikit hesitate ya, a little bit, bener gak sih gitu. But actually correct ya, so it's going to be a good sign for everyone for the next pair. Well, actually there are some pronunciation that we have to working on, which is now, not no. They blah 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 at the hotel now, not no ya, that's different. No is I know you. Nice to know you gitu. Kemudian an I'm taking an bukan an tapi an English class ya. Terus I'm taking not taking gitu. And then here mana tuh tadi ya? We blah 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 here
I'm
for
here.
6 weeks. Not her. Here. I'm here. Okay. And then the last one is the country, which is not Brazil but not Brazil but Brazil. Yeah, Brazil. Pakai z. Yeah, that's the letter. Okay. Thank you Bu Juju and Mbak Dala. Next pair.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Next. Oke, minimal ada 2 pair nih. Kemudian kita bahas jawabannya ya. Who else? Maybe Bu Indah and siapa ya?
Bu Sri.
Bu Sri, Bu Yuyun sama Lala lagi ini kan ya, lagi ada kesibukan.
Lala
ya.
udah balik, Miss.
Lala udah balik. Maybe Mbak Iin atau Mbak Agustin? Oh, Bu Sri with whom? Siapa lagi yang sudah ready? 1 pair lagi boleh?
Ayo, Mak.
Mak.
My name is Ricardo. What are your name?
Oh, Bu Sri and Mbak Iin ya. Oke. Oke. Who's going to be Ricardo then?
Mistri.
Oh, Bu Sri ya. Oke.
Hi, my name is Ricardo. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Are you here? Are you here on vacation?
Yes, I am here with my family. They are at the hotel now.
How long are you staying?
2 weeks. And you? I'm talking.
I'm taking.
I am taking an English class with my brother. We are here for 6 weeks.
Are you from Italy?
No, we are not. We are from Brazil. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany. How old are you?
I am 18, my brother.
My brother.
I'm 18. My brother.
I am 18. My brother.
It's 20.
My brother.
It's 20.
20. How old are you?
I'm 19. My sister is 22.
Would you like something?
Yes, I like. please, I need a coffee.
Okay, right. Congratulations. Okay,
And
nice.
celebration.
Okay, so that's actually correct ya for everyone, for the two pairs, Bu Juju, Mbak Dala, Bu Sri, sama Mbak Iin. All of the answers are correct, but maybe one hesitation from what I saw, from when I heard about this one, kayaknya agak bingung di bagian ini. So, he, she, it, we, they, you, or actually namanya adalah pronoun ya teman-teman, atau kata ganti. Jadi ketika kita mau bilang he, kita tentukan dulu bahwa he itu adalah dia laki-laki. Jadi semua yang berbentuk laki-laki dan kita bicarakan di luar dari komunitas kita, for example that you are in the office, you are in the room, and then all of in the room are only the girls, and then you're talking about your colleagues, the male workers, berarti mereka semua menjadi he gitu. Misalkan Pak Dendi misalnya gitu, and then my brother, my bro, my father, and the others ya, itu bakal menjadi he gitu. Kemudian sama juga dengan she, when you are actually talking about Mbak Lala, Mbak Sheila, in outside your community or outside the room, or maybe that person is not present gitu, nggak ada di situ. Nah berarti mereka sebagai she juga. Jadi ketika kita bilang Sheila, berarti Sheila is gitu. Sheila is 20, Sheila is away, misalkan seperti itu. Jadi di situ my brother sebagai he pasti ketemunya dengan is gitu. The last one di sini yang agak bingung menjawabnya gitu, karena kalau ditanya and you, I'm taking an English class, kemudian are you from Italy gitu, jawabnya kan langsung ya, no we are not, atau yes we are gitu. Selalu ada subjek dengan are-nya. Sehingga pertanyaan ini, would you like something to drink, ketika bertemu dengan bla 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 please, jawabannya jadi ada I like atau yes I am please misalnya gitu. Padahal di sini jawabnya kita hanya yes aja, yes atau no aja gitu di sini ya, karena pertanyaannya would you like gitu, would you like something to, would you like to sit down, mau duduk nggak, enggak gitu, would you like to sit, no thank you misalkan, would you like to sit, yes please. Jadi di sini bentuk pertanyaannya berbeda dengan si are you atau are we, itu berbeda gitu, karena kalau di pertanyaan are you or are we, kita memang diawali dengan to be dan subjek. Jadi pasti menjawabnya juga ada subjek dan to be-nya. Kalau di sini dia penawaran, offering, maka jawabannya antara yes atau no saja, seperti itu. But the rest of it, I think you guys are already understand how to create it. Jadi I can say that for the to be, how to create sentence with to be, everybody can understand and nail it. I believe that in the form of writing, teman-teman juga pasti bisa membuatnya ya. Oke. I think that's all for today, guys. Our session is very good. Kita bisa masuk ke goal ya, speaking, walaupun tadi listeningnya agak gengges banget ya, ribet gitu. Memang yang bikin sebel kalau kayak Google Meeting nggak bisa langsung gitu ready. Tapi ya itulah yang terbaik ya untuk saat ini, teman-teman. Baiklah. Oke. Meeting hari Senin depan nih, kita ketemunya seminggu lagi ya, minggu depan hari Senin. We're going to move on to unit 2, but still we will have a review at the beginning ya, to strengthen our memory about the use of to be. So I hope that teman-teman sudah diberikan modul akhirnya oleh Bu Tika atau Mbak Kiki.
Oh,
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet, ya.
Di profile grup.
Oh, di profile group sudah ada ya, bisa di-download ya, teman-teman ya. Di description group ya. Oke. Bisa di-download. Nanti kalau sudah di-download bisa di-scan dulu ya untuk unit 2, dibaca-baca mungkin apa sih materinya. Jadi hari Senin sudah ada pre-knowledge about that one. Oke deh, kalau gitu thank you so much. Let's have a screenshot together. Kita foto dulu.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Bu Indang sama Bu Sri
Happy
udah
National
open
Day,
cam
Miss.
nih, yang lain boleh open cam ya. Oke, akhirnya sudah banyak yang bisa open nih. Membaca ini ya. Oke, yuk kita foto ya. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much. Actually,
Thank
very
you.
nice to
Thank
discuss
you.
with you. Yes, I'm going to see you again on Monday ya.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
bye
Miss.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, dadah, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ibunya kan mogok print aja nih 98 halaman kan print aja modulnya.
Print ya, In. Print in.
Susah kalau satu. Gimana disuruh?
Print ya.
Ya Bu.
Dah.
Rusak teman. Ya udah beli lagi itu juga nggak bisa.
Ya. Bagus lebih itu. Lebih master lebih apa namanya crispy.
Masih sama empuk kayak tadi pagi.
Hmm?
Nggak ada apa-apa.
Itu kok enak banget. Crispy banget. Tadi pagi juga gini.
Ya, tadi pagi juga gini.
Empuk.
Tadi pagi juga gini.
Itu empuk banget loh lah. Kak coba simpen itu lah, kasih ke orang depan kan pasti suka banget itu lah. Ini pasti di lem-lem itu.
Oh, yang ada rasanya apa yang begini?
Ya ada rasanya lah. Kasih satu pieces saja.
Modulnya ada apa nggak sih?
Nanti udah di print kayak nanti. Di print dia si anak atas. Kamu dicari tadi.
Ini gimana orang terus
Empel Rimis, si Lala Trial Production. Oke.
Wah, ini berarti kalau saya oke berarti pas ini langsung ambil barang kali ya? Barangnya kayak gini.
Sekarang okein aja.
Aku nyoba 3 mix sih, ini baru 2 mix, aku mau udah pakai satu lagi kan kalau terakhir. Jangan kunci yang dimakai, yang punya orang aku kunci dikasih ini belum dengar lo aku.
Coba.
Melakukan jam 9 yang udah dibuat masuk lagi ini lagi.
Hah? Kamu ini kebangetan nggak nungguin kamu lah.
Enggak, udah mau nungguin saya di sini dimati dikunci pula kebalik. Nah kebalik, aku udah tahu kebaliknya. Udah tahu kunci motor, baju semuanya di dalam.
Terus kamu gimana?
Orang itu ada di tempat baju. Ayo, jangan.
Oh iya.
Coba kalau kawan, tak kurang aku. Itu tuh, ini. Udah nggak? Belum cepet ya?
Wah paling.
Belum ya?
Yuk.